Have you ever made watermelon sushi? Why not, right? What looks like the prime cut of maguro tuna is actually juicy watermelon pieces. See the fully serrated texture here, topped with fried shallots and ginger lime dressing. Here's how I like to make this really amazing appetizer. First, cut the watermelon into 3 logs, about 2 inches wide and thick and 8 inches long. Next, run a serrated vegetable peeler across the top and the 2 sides to form ridges on the watermelon flesh. Cut each log into 8 sushi-shaped pieces so that each piece is about 1 inch wide. Blot the watermelon with paper towels to remove any excess moisture and place it in a dish. Next, we'll make a marinade. Combine soy sauce, sugar, salt, minced ginger, minced Thai chilies, lime juice, mirin, and toasted sesame seeds. Drizzle half of the marinade on the watermelon and allow the watermelon to chill and marinate for 15 minutes. To serve, remove the watermelon pieces from the marinade and discard the marinade. Arrange the watermelon pieces in an attractive roll on a serving plate. Garnish with fried shallots, perilla, and sesame seeds. Squeeze a few dots of sriracha sauce on the plate and drizzle the remaining marinade on top. There you have it. This dish really shows how versatile watermelon is. Watermelon sushi with fried shallots and ginger lime dressing.